Hello, fellow traders. Nutty Bar Trading coming to you. It is Tuesday, February the 20th. Almost said Monday, but it's Tuesday. It kind of seems like a Monday because yesterday was the President's Day. Even though I did take some trades, but this is the recap for today and how my trading went on my. I have 18 50K accounts that I'm trying to get to a payout, and of those, I have one account that I use as my stream account, which is what you see here. Yeah, just a summary. We did not take many trades today. I think we took 2 trades today, ended it with $122 in profit, so I'll take it. But today was a pretty violent day, I would consider. Right off the open, we ripped higher and basically sold off quite a bit and then recovered toward the end of the day. It's just really volatile. I could have scalped a little bit more this afternoon, and I just didn't really feel that comfortable with the price action. There's a lot of big candles, and I don't know if it was fear or if it was wisdom. I'm not quite sure which one it was, but I just didn't really feel that comfortable trading today. So I did end up trading. We did take 2 trades here, and I did take trades on my other accounts. But I was definitely not feeling like as confident on my trades and this market as I have been in the past. So anyway, let's just switch to our 50K accounts, the remaining of them. So first of all, don't freak out. This looks better than what it is. So in case you know, or if you don't know, so on Sunday I took trades, and you can see here on Sunday I had a $600 day, and then Monday on President's Day, where it was only a half day, we had like a $500 day, and basically Sunday evening, Monday, and today all count as one traded day for Apex. So they didn't reset the accounts. So all of these accounts still show the profit and loss from the previous 2 days. So that's why I'm telling you this is not as good as it looks. It's kind of weird because I have a friend of mine that has Tradeovate accounts, and the Tradeovate accounts did reset, but the Rhythmic accounts did not. At least they didn't for me. And I checked with other people and with Rhythmic accounts that didn't reset either. But either way, it is what it is. But basically, this $1,900, what is it, $1,895 in profit that you see, is the total between the 3 days. So technically, today we had a total profit of $758. Like that is technically what we made today. And I mean, overall, I'm still happy with how I'm happy. Don't get me wrong. We did have one account, this account right here. That account, that's when I ended up I stopped trading for the day when I went and drawed. I was actually like 690. I think it was like close to $700 in drawdown at one point. And I scalped my way back to, I think it was only $200 negative, and then I started giving it back again, and you know how that ends. So I shut it down for the day, and I did end up in the past 3 days, as you can see, I did end up trading all of my accounts, which is great. And the other thing that I like is we have a couple accounts that are 52,100 now. So we're $500 away. Let's not freak out. Everybody stay calm. But we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have currently 11 accounts over that 52,000 profit amount, which is great and exciting. But still, I am not looking at payouts, and I'm trying just to continue to just trade the way I've been trading and the same style and doing everything the same. And what happens, happens. I don't want to start freaking out and trading differently. That's my fear right now, is that I start letting fear overcome me and I start making bad choices and I start trading differently than what I have been that got me here. So I'm going to really try to focus on just not pay attention to the account balance and just try to, stay consistent with what I have been doing. And again, like I have been saying, I think, there's a chance some of these accounts we might lose them. Some of these accounts are in drawdown. This one here, haven't really been focusing on the accounts with the lower balance. I've kind of been waiting to see a really good uptrending day. Um, so I'm just kind of waiting for that day that we have a really nice uptrending day that I can just jump in, and I'll probably look to get I'll probably not be scalping the accounts that are in drawdown when I enter in a good setup. I'm going to look for a little bit bigger profit targets, just to try and bring those accounts back. But some of the accounts are not in terrible shape. They're just lagging behind a little bit, which is fine. I'm just going to try to focus on continue to do what I've been doing. And if I don't get all of these accounts to a payout, I'll be honest, if I get 12 or 10 accounts to pay out, I'm going to be excited. I'm going to be excited. So either way, the main thing here that I keep telling myself every morning, like the psychological part of it, the mental part of it, the main thing I keep telling myself is to not do anything stupid. It's really, that is the only thing I feel like that's going to prevent me from getting to a payout, is myself and me completely going off the rails in that sense. And I've done, knock on wood, I feel like I've been doing a lot better job with that, is to just not go on tilt. And especially like even today, like this account here that's in drawdown of $400, it's something like, now that it's been about 2 hours since I've stopped trading, I can look back and I'm like, okay, that was such a good decision to stop trading. And just to have that confidence that I can stop trading when I'm kind of starting to go on tilt. Because when I was down close to 700, it was a little bit bigger loss than what I wanted to take. And then I scalped my way back to almost, $200 negative. And I was really determined to get it back to green. I was really determined to get all of my accounts to green. And then I started giving some of it back. And I started to feel that inner beast in me rise up, and just that frustration with the market. And it seemed like it was just the frustration level was really high. And I think we all know what that's like. So I was like, okay, time out. And I just quickly went up to my GAT and I turned off trading for the day. And boom, I'm done. And now looking back, I'm like, okay, that wasn't so bad. And I know I can do it. So it's just it's weird. I don't know. Maybe I'm just rambling and making no sense at all. But doing that a couple times, it gives me the confidence that I can do it. And it's encouraging, or feel like taking a step forward. Not even, I learned more about the account that's in red today than I did about the accounts that are in green, if that makes any sense. But either way, thanks for tuning in. Appreciate every one of you. And again, tomorrow, my schedule is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be streaming a little bit late tomorrow. Probably will be around 10 o'clock, maybe a little bit after when I start streaming, just a scheduling conflict. So, but appreciate if you tune in. Hit that sub button. Hit that like button. That's awesome too. And also, just FYI, the Apex 1-day pass is ending tomorrow night at 5 p.m. Eastern time. Just for information purposes only. Anyway, I'm rambling. Time to end it. Thanks everyone for tuning in. Appreciate it. We will talk to you guys tomorrow, and God bless.